Imagine your brain is a high-performance engine. It demands a massive amount of fuel. 20% of your daily calories go right up here. For most of your life, you have been filling that engine with one type of fuel, sugar. Glucose. It works. It gets you down the road. But it burns dirty. It leaves exhaust. It clogs the pipes. Welcome to Dr. Levitas. But what if I told you there is a secondary fuel tank hidden inside your body? A tank filled with a super fuel that burns cleaner, produces 25% more energy per unit, and creates almost no exhaust. This fuel is called ketones. And learning how to switch tanks might just be the single most powerful thing you can do for your mental clarity and your long-term brain health. Hello, today, we are flipping the super fuel switch. We are going to explore why your brain runs dirty on sugar, why the keto diet was actually invented for brain seizures, not weight loss, and how you can access this mental clarity without starving yourself. And as we flip the super fuel switch, please hit the like button and leave a comment. This helps the channel a ton. Let's talk about combustion. Your brain cells have tiny power plants called mitochondria. They take fuel and turn it into ATP, the energy they need. When you burn glucose or sugar for energy, it is a messy process. It creates a lot of byproducts called reactive oxygen species, also known as ROS. Think of this as the black smoke from that diesel truck. These are free radicals. This exhaust causes oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Over decades, this constant smoke damage wears down the machinery. This is part of why we get brain fog, and eventually, neurodegeneration. Now, let's look at ketones. Specifically, beta-hydroxybutyrate. When your body runs out of sugar, through fasting or a keto diet, the liver starts turning fat into ketones. Research shows that burning ketones produces significantly fewer free radicals than burning glucose. It is a cleaner burn. But it's also more efficient. You actually get more ATP, you get more energy, per molecule of oxygen used. This is why, when people switch to ketosis, they often describe a sudden lifting of the fog. It's like cleaning the windshield. The engine isn't sputtering on dirty gas anymore, it's humming on jet fuel. This isn't just biohacker theory. We have known this for 100 years. In the 1920s, before we had modern medications, doctors discovered something incredible for children with epilepsy. When these kids fasted or ate a high-fat diet, their seizures stopped. Why did it happen? Because an epileptic seizure is essentially an electrical storm, a short circuit caused by hyper-excitable neurons. It turns out, ketones are not just fuel, they are signaling molecules. They calm the brain down. They increase GABA, the relaxation neurotransmitter, and decrease glutamate, the excitation neurotransmitter. Ketones stabilize the grid. They stop the brain from short-circuiting. And for you, even if you don't have epilepsy, this means a brain that is less anxious, less buzzy, and more focused. But here is the most critical part for aging. Have you heard Alzheimer's called type 3 diabetes? This is a terrifying concept. In many aging brains, the neurons become insulin resistant. They lose the ability to absorb glucose, the dirty fuel. They are starving to death, even though there is plenty of sugar in the blood. The door is locked. But here is the miracle: ketones don't use that door. Ketones use a completely different transporter, the MCTs, to enter the brain. They bypass the broken insulin receptor entirely. If you have an aging relative who is starting to forget things, their brain might simply be starving for fuel. Introducing ketones is like opening the back door to deliver the groceries. It wakes the lights back up. So, what does this feel like? If you have ever done a prolonged fast, you know the struggle of day 1 and day 2. You are hungry. You might be grumpy. That is your body screaming for sugar. But then, day 3 hits, and it hits like a charm. Suddenly, the hunger vanishes. Your energy skyrockets. You feel a strange, euphoric buzzing in your forehead. You can focus for hours. This is the moment the switch flips. Your liver has depleted its glycogen stores and is now pumping out massive amounts of beta-hydroxybutyrate. Your brain is finally running on the super fuel. This is the ketosis clarity. Now, not everyone wants to fast for 3 days. I know it sounds tough. So, can you cheat the system? Yes. Enter MCT oil, the medium-chain triglycerides. Unlike other fats, like butter or extra virgin olive oil, that have to go through a long digestion process, MCTs go straight to the liver. They are converted into ketones almost instantly. If you take a tablespoon of C8 MCT oil, you can measurably raise your blood ketones within 30 minutes, even if you ate carbs earlier. It provides a burst of brain energy without the insulin spike. It's like a turbo boost button for your cognition. However, I want to be clear. I am not saying you must be in ketosis forever. Humans are like hybrid engines. We are designed to use both fuels. The goal is metabolic flexibility, the ability to use both fuels at command. You want a body that can burn sugar when you eat a banana, and effortlessly switch to burning fat when you skip a meal. Most people are stuck in sugar mode. If they miss lunch, they crash. They get hangry. That is a broken metabolism. When you practice fasting or use a keto diet cyclically, you are oiling the switch. You are training your engine to be a hybrid. And that flexibility is the ultimate protection against neurodegeneration. And here is the doctor's verdict. You don't have to accept brain fog as a normal part of aging. It isn't. It is essentially a fuel problem. Your brain is a Ferrari that you have been treating like a lawnmower. It's time to put the high-octane fuel in and see what that engine can really do. So, check out your next step. Here is my challenge for you. Try the bulletproof morning. Tomorrow morning, delay your breakfast by 2 hours. Instead of cereal, have a cup of black coffee with 1 teaspoon or tablespoon of MCT oil or coconut oil blended in. Don't eat anything else. See how your brain feels at 10 a.m. Watch how the fog lifts. You might just find that your best thinking happens when your stomach is empty and your fuel is clean. I'm Dr. Levitas. Flip the switch, burn clean, and I'll see you in the next video. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.